Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MariaDB DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure a virtual IP to ensure the seamless failover cluster access and high availability for the MariaDB Galera Cluster on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. So previous video we have seen that how to configure the MariaDB Galera Cluster on Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS. In this video, we'll just configure the virtual IP with the MariaDB Galera Cluster for the access to ensure the seamless failover cluster and high availability of the MariaDB Galera cluster. Means that we above of these three IPs means we are configured with the three IPs. Above this IP, I'll create one more IP. I'll assign the IP 192.168.2.200 for the access the all the Gorilla cluster on from this IP. Means any one server will goes down just like 129 or 130 or 131. Anyone goes down or any two goes down, then also we can able to access our database. So you automatically switch the IP address 200 to one of them. Okay. So we'll just check one by one how to do that. So first we'll check this 3 IP access and already configuration is there. So prerequisites are there. So our working MariaDB cluster, at least 3 nodes already we have done. So I'm just accessing one by one this server. So servers are running with my VMware workstation. So CMD, I'll access through the SSH, DPT, at the rate, and IP. And I'm going to the sudo user. So similar, I'll just add one more, means all the IPs, three IPs. So 129 is done, 130 I'm going to access. So clear. And one more IP that is 131. 131. SSH DPT at the rate 131. So I'm accessing all the IPs. So this one, server 1, server 129 means server 1, and this is server 130 means second server. I'm changing the color of this one yellow, and one more is there. So rename server 131 and giving the color this one, it's blue. So three servers are there, 129, 130 and 131. Now I'll just verify the cluster status. So let me log in one of them or all. I'm just logging with all. MySQL -u root, and just put this one, enter your password, then go to that. And now I'm going to show status like cluster percentage, and just let me run. So I'm able to see cluster size is 3 and UID is this one, and this is working as a primary. Okay. And if you want to know the cluster status, then okay, primary already you have seen. And if you want to know the state command, so all are running is synchronized mode. So similarly, I'll run this one to all three. So similarly, I will get, because all are running with the, see, all are running within cluster mode. So 3, I'm getting 3, and here also I'm getting 3. So I have done. Now I will just install the keep alive, install on the all the nodes. So first let me update the system, update all the nodes. So exit and just run this one, exit sudo apt update, and sudo apt update. So all the nodes I'm just updating the server. So updation is going on, near about completed. Let me check. Yeah, completed. This one also. And this one also completed. So now I'm going to install the sudo apt install libdel live, keep alive, and -y. -y I'm giving the permission in same line. So you don't have to give the permission in middle of that. So I'm running all the nodes. So completed. Okay. Then small simple configuration is there. So on node A, now I'm going to put the step 2 and configuration keep alive in each node. So node 1, I'm just going to edit its configuration file. So I need to edit in all the nodes. So I'm just going to open in all the nodes. So node 1, I have opened node 2 and node 3. So server 1. Okay, 129, 130 and 131. Now I'm going to add the following configuration. So there I am just adding state is equal to master and priority is equal to 100. These two are differ from the other nodes configuration, and here I am adding one virtual IP. This is a virtual IP. You can able to see 192.168.224.200. So I am adding one virtual IP. So add this one into the node 1. So node 1 is in my case 129 is node 1. So control X Y. So added. Now in node 2 I'm just changing this one to backup, and node 3 also I'm changing this one to backup. So in node 2 I'm adding the similar code, and node 3 I'll add the same code as per the node 2. So all the nodes are added there. Okay. Now I'm going to restart the keep alive and enable the service for auto. Whenever the system will start, automatically it will start. So for that I'll just running this command, enable command. So enable this one, this command. So I'm just running with the all the three. Okay. Now check the status. So in node 1 I'm checking status. Yeah, running. In node 2 also is running. Node 3 also is running. So all the nodes I have running. Now you check IP A. So you can able to see 120 in 129 200 is also there. So similarly we'll get this thing 200 as a virtual IP in all the nodes. 130 also I am getting 200. Okay. In 131 also I am getting as a virtual IP. Okay. In ENS 33 I am getting 200. Okay. So now if you ping 192.168.224.200, then you can able to ping this one. Okay, means that IP is accessible from all the nodes. You can check all the nodes. So we have seen this one. Same thing it will show you. Okay. So we have done. Now in 5, grant remote access privilege. So one of any node, just I'm in primary node, I'm going to access MySQL. After that, I'm granting permission to VIP. The 200, I'm giving the permission for the root user. Similarly, I'm just going through the node 1 IP address. I'm giving all the IP addresses, all the 3 IP addresses, and my 200 IP address. So this is optional. If you want to give all the subnet, means grant access to the subnet, then you can here you can give the percentage and username. So apply changes. I am running the plus privilege. So this one is done. Now verify the permission. So I'm all the nodes. I'm going to verify the permissions is accessible like this or not. So in first node I'm running. Yeah, this is for the root. I'm added this one. And here also accessible. Yeah. In all the local host node, I'm able to get the same data because this all are in cluster. Now configure the MariaDB to use VIP. Now with the 200 host 200, I'm going to access. So I'm accessing this one. So able to access. So data bases. So you can able to check there is a 8 databases are there. Now I'm going to add one database from the VIP. So later on we'll stop and we'll check all the things. Now I'm going to access create one database, use Garella VIP database I created. Now I'm going to create one table. Simple command is there. Create table, table name. So my table name is employee and there is a ID incremental name I'm giving and created date. That's three things. Okay. So done this one. Now I'm going to insert one data. So data is inserted. Select extract from employee employee. So you can able to see there is a data is inserted on the my database. So what I will do, I'll just check with the first node. So databases locally show databases. Okay. So here I'm able to check the Garella VIP is there. So use VIP is there. Now I'm running select extract from employee. So here also I'm able to access and this one also use so databases. Let me use VIP select extract from employee. Okay. So here also I am able to access. So now what I'll do, I'll just stop one of my cluster, MariaDB. Okay. I'm going to stop. So now check how many cluster participated now. Only two clusters participated now. And here also I am able to let me exit and let me check with the 200 I'm going to access or not. Admin there 1 2 3 show databases use select extract from emp employee means that I am able to access with the second one also. Means 200 IP also. So this IP move to the whatever the means first is down, then automatically move to 3 to 4 because we have given the state is equal to backup for 130 and 131. So like this is working. Now I'm going to start the MariaDB on node 1. Start and access through the local, and here I'll just use show databases and use VIP and select extract from employee employee. So I'm able to access the data now. So you can check this one. Now your VIP is now successfully configured and failover we tested with the MariaDB Garella cluster. So if you any issue, then let me know, and in doubts, then write on the YouTube video comment section. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.